Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and it contains a wide variety of design ideas related to hand embroidered, silk ribbon embroidered, face mask designs. All of these designs are very beautiful and very pretty. Friends, kindly do try these patterns. These patterns are absolutely favorable for the ones who are silk ribbon embroidery beginners and they are artists of embroidery or they are lovers of hand ribbon embroidery work. So it is very important for us to stay protected. You can also design the same matching pattern based silk ribbon embroidered work, hats, or your further matching stuff like pouches, even your dresses as well. The idea to share these very beautiful and exquisite design patterns is to encourage you, to persuade you to keep yourselves protected from a very dangerous coronavirus which has affected the whole human community in a very large number, and now it's in full swing with its third wave and it is badly affecting children as well. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Kindly make a habit of wearing masks while going out. Hope to see you soon back in my next video. Up till then, take care of yourselves and wear masks. Say no to corona.